Assalamualaikum and hi Dr. Sophie. My name is Muhammad Amirul bin Tan Achwab Elias Mazlan. My metric number is A1CA0379. I'm from a logistic courses. Okay, today I would like to present to you about my industrial training at Post Logistic located in Shah Alam, Selangor. Okay, before that, the company has offered to me in January in a automotive department in a Post Logistic as an internship student. Okay, Post Logistic is a subsidiary of Post Malaysia, which is the business is under the Post Malaysia. For the Post Malaysia, it consists of various type of business such as courier, aviation, internal, postal services, and other more. For the courier, they offer express parcel delivery, and for the postal services, is services that are related to product and services. For the aviation, is the related to the flight services, and internal is information technology that has been used in Post Malaysia. They also has a name of companies such as Post Digicert and also Data Post. Another is Post Arahnu, which is Islamic Multi Financial Services. Okay, for the Post Logistic, it provides end-to-end solution. Include range of integrated services such as container haulage services, transportation, warehousing and distribution, custom clearance and shipping agency. Okay, I would like to explain more about the company background. Okay, it started in 1984. That has known as Konsortium Perkapalan Berhad. They start in Penang, which the company providing haulage services in northern state. And in 1989, they expand the company to the Pasir Gudang and also in the Port Klang. Okay, in 1996, there was a rebranding the name to the Konsortium Logistik Berhad KLB. In 2010, Equinas stake 56.5% of the stake in KLB. So in 2016, it fully under the Post Malaysia Berhad. And then in 2018, they rebrand the name to the Post Logistic Berhad, mainly in automotive and also include marine and e-commerce services. Next is Post Logistic Network. Post Logistic has their network and coverage in all around in Malaysia, including Sabah and Sarawak. Their center region or their HQ is at Bukit Kemuning, Shah Alam. Their northern region is at Perai, Penang, and the southern region at Pasir Gudang, Johor. Okay, next I will explain about the solution of the Post Logistic. Firstly is automotive logistic. Automotive logistic provide end-to-end automotive supply chain solution, including RORO. RORO stand for roll-on, roll-off services. Automotive logistic has more than 25 years in logistic experience. They are capability and committed to continue their improvement. Post Logistic become a reliable partner for most of major car manufacturer and vehicle sector. Next is Project Logistic. Okay, project logistic is the cargo logistic solution for government, energy, uh, aviation, defense, and also oil and gas. Okay, they have more than 20 years of experience providing logistic services to the power and utility sector. Okay, next is supply chain logistic. Supply chain logistic is the providing logistic service across all segments, such as Al-Bukhari Group, logistic requirement, specialized logistic, such as end-to-end fast move consumer goods solution, halal logistic total solution, and also e-commerce logistic solution. Okay, next is marine logistic. Marine logistic is they provide the transportation for the national power company, such as Indonesia, Australia, and also Africa. They more for the power station, like for example for TMB charcoal. Next, I will explain my department. My department is automotive logistic department, and my position in this department is in sale and marketing. There are 4 units in this department. The firstly is sale and marketing. Second, billing. Third is business finance. And lastly, support service and administration. Okay, the role of the marketing or the sale and marketing is the auto commercial maintaining the current business and find a new business to add their profit. The current customer for the post logistic is Proton, Produa, Honda, and etc. In this department, they make a billing for purchase order and also sending the invoice to the Proton and also Produa. The role of this marketing also serve transportation, warehousing, and handling. In PIN-LB, there are 2 main divisions, operational and also commercial. My department is automotive department. Automotive logistic department is under the commercial, because our role is to take care the customer and to find the customer. This is because our company, our department is the revenue base of the company. And then the operation is supporting the commercial by serving and providing services. And then the operational is the cost base of the company. Okay, next I would like to explain my department chart. My department chart I will explain to sir about my units only because the chart is too big. Okay. My unit is sale and marketing. In sale marketing, they have key account manager and also business development and planning. Mr. Jiva Nandeng is the team leader of the sale and marketing. He handle the Proton at Tanjung Malim. And next is business development and planning, which is my supervisor. His name is Mr. Syaiful Bahri. He is monitoring the Proton at Shah Alam. And then Mr. Hishamuddin is the assistant vice president too. He also manage and monitor the company, the Produa company, which is they supply the from vendor a steel coil to build a car. Next is my job experience. I'm actually not get enough experience because I have do or done my internship only in 1 month. Okay, in my job experience is I always do the sorting and checking the billings, keying the tax invoice and also the delivery order. Sometimes I also doing photostat and scanning bills and all the documents that my college asked me to help them. And also I also do the filing, and I attend to the department meeting that to fill the quorum, and I actually know a bit only about their management and how the flow of their work. And sometimes I also has been exposed by my supervisor, and I go with him to the site visit at Port Klang warehouse in Shah Alam. Sometimes I go to the Proton manufacturing and see how the car are built, and also see how the logistic activity are running in the in Proton plant. My supervisor also has give me some learning, or give me some expose about the activity logistic when I go to Port Klang, because in Port Klang is a place that import and export activity are running, and also how the goods from the ship go to the warehouse, and how the transportation are being used, and how the shipping agency dealing with the logistic truckers. Okay, next is project. As we can see, Proton, Produa and Honda is the three largest car manufacturer in Malaysia. These three car company are the key customer to the Post Logistic, and they are the sources of the profitable profit of Post Logistic. Okay, as we can see, Proton and Produa have been used the Post Logistic more than 25 years, and they are trusted to Post Logistic to carry and handling their goods to the dealer and to the manufacturer. For Proton, they are using truckers to move their finished good or a car to the dealer, and also their spare part to the manufacturer. And also Produa, they are using truckers of Post Logistic, and also the freight forwarding of Post Logistic to move their goods, and also to take their goods or their raw materials such as steel coil to the from the Port Klang from the ship to the warehouse. So this means they are very close each other for the customer certification. Okay, in my experience or in my 1 month period internship, I also have a bit of seeing the issue that facing by the Post Logistic and also my department especially. Okay, actually my department is sale and marketing, so they are they are trying to find customer, they are trying to take care their customer, so this bring them to improve their interaction, because I have seen the interaction are too not in a good condition, because sometimes the customer are keep pushing them, because of the goods are not delivered in on time. So they sometimes have been stressed and sometimes cannot handle the customer. So this my suggestion to improve their customer interaction by having a soft spoken, and then make a confident level to the customer, and also make effective customer service management to attract the customer and confident the customer. Okay, next I have seen the competition. As we all know, in Malaysia, we have a lot of logistic provider, and this might be a challenge or issue that have facing by the Post Logistic to sustain their customer, to maintain their customer and take care their customer by using the Post Logistic activity and solution. So I have my suggestion to increase the competition among logistic provider, and also to be competitive by have a new technology in logistic provider, and also make a strategy to attract the customer, and the strategy to sustain the customer. Next is a vendor issue. As we can see, I have known some issue about the vendor, which mean at my at the warehouse behind my office. The vendor issue is about the customer or the vendor rent the warehouse behind my office, which called K3. Okay, K3 is behind the HQ office that have a space for rent for the customer or the vendor to rent a space that they given. So I have heard that the vendor has not in good on negotiation of the contract. So I have a suggestion. Why not they enhance the level of negotiation for convince customer trust? They have to have a skill, have a brilliant idea, have a solution for the customer on always trust the Post Logistic, and continue their contract to rent in warehouse. Okay, that's all for the my suggestion and the issue. I get challenges in my internship about the communication skill, because first of all, I actually not understand about the department, how they operating, how they run their work, how they make a document or billing. So I have learned, and also the communication skill is very tough, and I have to understand a lot, and I have to learn a lot to get the information from the company. And next is teamwork. Of course, communication and teamwork is the combination that have in marketing units, because teamwork must have a cooperation among the college and also among the customer to create or to make the situation more relaxed and uh, more uh, in a good environment. So I have see the challenges, and the value that I have get from my internship is the great environment actually. But for me, if it's a great environment, but to them, I don't know how the smooth of their work. And also I have a responsibility, because every task that my supervisor given, I have a responsibility to finish it and then to give a best performance to my supervisor and also my department. That's all from me. uh, I would like to thank you to Dr. Sophie for hear my presentation, and I hope that my presentation are good enough for doctor to know about the post logistic. And bye bye.